Did you know that there are... Sorry. Start over. And that's a big bee! Okay, hi, my name is Crystal, and today I will be showing you how to harvest your potatoes. We planted these potatoes in the spring, and they're ready to harvest because they're starting to turn brown. Depending on when you planted your potatoes, they could be ready anywhere between June and August. So you're going to want to take your trowel and dig around the potato plant, loosen up the soil. You can pull up the plant as you go. Oh, there they are. Be careful not to cut into the potatoes, but loosen the soil around them. Here they are. Make sure to dig deep. You should expect 6 to 7 potatoes from each plant. We grow 3 different types of potatoes, a red, a gold, and a blue. Did you know that there are 1,000 different types of potatoes? My name is Crystal, and this is how you harvest potatoes.